Korea is safe? Yes.
100 times safe in Korea?
Big yes. Yes. Yes.
If your belonging are lost item inside the restaurant or cafes, they will store it at the counter. Or just borrow a phone of your friend and call your phone number. If nobody answering, go back to the place.
If you lost your phone, portable, electric device, bags and wallet in the subway, bus or taxi, don't worry, you can claim it. To trace back the forgotten items is to get your receipt. See the contact number. Always get your receipt from the driver.
In the subway, go to the station office for information and talk to the staff. Take note of the time you ride on and off the car, and the door number of the train. Example, 6-3, and what station you ride and drop.
For bus, the tip is call 02-120, Seoul Transportation, or 02-1330 Korean Tourism Hotline. And they have the website, check below. If you're lost your bag outside, some people just passed away, they don't carry your bag. Oh no, one lady pick up the bag and put it up and leave in the what we call on that.
We still need extra careful to your belongings. 5. See you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below.